A very short video to explain what the owner's equity is, the shareholder's equity is. In case someone asks you, you know how to explain it very easy. In one line, it would be assets minus liabilities. So, what would be the assets of a company? Anything they own, a building, inventory, yeah, investments like stocks that they own, and then the liabilities will be all the loans they have. It would be the rent of the office, for example, um, anything that subtracts from that they have to pay, that takes money out of the company. Yeah, so what adds value to the company and what minus the things that take away. That's the owner's equity. That's let's say what they own. What they own, owner's equity. Yeah, because imagine you just open a company. Okay, so you get a loan of $20,000 and you buy a building, if you find one, of $20,000. Okay, so the assets are $20,000, which is the value of the building in the market today, and you have a loan of $20,000 at the same time. So you just started the company with that asset and that liability. How much is the owner's equity? Zero, right? Because you have a building, but you also have the mortgage. uh, you own the bank the same amount. Yeah, but little by little, let's say 1 year after, you will have less owned to the bank. Maybe you will own the bank nine, 19,000, yeah, or 18,000, and then maybe it even appreciated a little, yeah, in the market, the building. So you could consider that. Yeah, so it would be 22,000 and you have a debt of 18,000. So what would the owner's equity be? 4,000. See? Okay, that's it. Very simple. I promise to be short and sweet.